In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block holidays and non-working time in Outlook Calendar for 2025. Properly managing your calendar is essential for organizing your work-life balance, and today, we'll guide you step by step on how to efficiently block out your holidays, personal time, and time for out-of-office notifications. Let's start with blocking holidays on your Outlook calendar. First, open your Outlook calendar. Once there, navigate to the Home tab at the top of the page. From the Arrange group, switch the view to Month. This makes it easier to see and manage your schedule. Now click on File, then Options, and choose Calendar. Under Calendar Options, you'll see an option for Add Holidays. Click on it, and from the list, select your country. This ensures that all your national holidays are added to your calendar. Once you've done that, click OK, and voila! Your calendar is now updated with all the holidays for your country. Next, let's move on to blocking personal time, such as vacations. Again, from your calendar view, click on either New Event or New Appointment found under the Home tab. This allows you to create a new block of time for your personal schedule. Once you're in the new event, enter a descriptive title and choose the start and end dates for your time off. If you're planning to take a full day or several days off, make sure you toggle on all-day event. This switch helps indicate that your event spans across full days. Importantly, in the Show As dropdown, opt to display your status as free. This ensures that your calendar is visible as available for others while giving you the room to manage your personal time. And a quick tip here, set the reminder to none to avoid unnecessary alerts each day. Lastly, hit save and close and your vacation time is now booked. Finally, let's address how to block time specifically for out-of-office notifications. You'll start by creating another new event or new appointment in your calendar. Just like before, enter an appropriate title and select your dates. Ensure that the all-day event option is on. However, for this event, change the Show As field to Out of Office. Doing this effectively communicates your unavailability to colleagues. Now, to maintain transparency and keep your calendar from appearing fully booked, right-click the Out of Office event you've created and choose Duplicate Event. In this duplicate copy, change the Show As field back to free. This clever trick lets others know you're away, but keeps your calendar flexible. Remember, you can also add attendees and send this event to colleagues as needed. And there you have it, a straightforward way to manage holidays, vacations, and out-of-office time on your Outlook calendar. Hopefully, these tips will help you maintain a perfectly organized calendar. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more useful tips.